Taking a look at our Google Chromecast, we're on the front here. It is a very slim, lightweight remote. And I do in some cases appreciate that. However, it doesn't really offer any tactile resistance for slippage. Your hand gets a little sweaty, this is gonna fly out of your hand. Another thing that you need to know, up here, this is not a touch-sensitive scroll wheel like you might see with other players. This is a tactile button pressing up, down, left, right, which you'll use for navigating TV's operating system, as well as fast forwarding and rewinding. You have a button right in the middle there. That is your select, okay, whatever you want to call it. That is going to be how you select things. We have our back button, which is kind of self-explanatory. Here, this is our Google Voice Assistant button, which you will interact with primarily when doing searches on the device, but you do have to press and hold in order for that to work. You have a home button, which will bring you back to the home. You have a mute button on the front, which I do appreciate, and you have dedicated YouTube and Netflix on the remote. You also have a power button, which will allow you to power on a TV set, which you set up during the setup process. And this is actually something that I really enjoy with a lot of new streaming devices, which is an input change option right there. If you're not on your Chromecast, when you first start the TV, you can change your input over to the Google Chromecast. And right down there, that is a microphone button so that you can use with your voice assistant. One problem that I have with it is its actual placement, because the way I hold my remote is kind of like that. And if I'm holding it like that, the microphone is covered. Food for thought. On the side here, you have your volume rocker, so not only do you get a mute button, you have a volume rocker. And then if we open up the back panel here, it is powered by two AAA batteries, which are included with the Google Chromecast. On the top here, you do have an IR blaster for your TV. And on the bottom, you don't have anything.